Desiree Gato is a famous model who was born on January 5, 1997 in United States. Model who has posed for magazines like SKYN, Lotus, and Epitome. She has been sponsored by Quest Nutrition, EVL Nutrition, Clean Meals Miami and others. According to astrologers, Desiree Gato's zodiac sign is Capricorn. This lady belongs to a well-educated family. While at her young she enrolled in a private high school where she completed her school education, and also during her school days she started their career as a model. She has dated the photographer known as Wiki. Their height is around 5 feet 5 inches, 165 centimeters, and their weight is around 55 kilograms, 121 pounds. Desiree is one of the richest model and listed on most popular model. According to our analysis, Wikipedia, Forbes and Business Insider, Desiree Gato net worth is approximately $1.5 million.